Hey guys, what's up? I'm making another video on Murder Mystery 2. This time with a couple of fans. I'm currently at the top of the list. Hey guys, say hi to Vin. What are you guys take? What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about? We're just gonna play a normal murder mystery, no 1v1s or anything, just a normal murder mystery. These are fans though. Oh yeah, sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. I actually have a really bad fever right now. So sorry if I just like sniffle or something, or just cough, because I have a really bad fever. And this is the third day I had it. So first time I had a sleepover with my friends, and I started getting a sore throat. But then the next day, I got a stomachache for the whole day. And then the next day, I got a coughing throat and a runny nose, which I still have right about now. And that has been going on for a whole 3 days now. Well, this is the third day, so I did not like to play in first person like this anymore, because one time I got stabbed in the back. Oh crap. It's him. It's him. It's you. This is a freaking murder. This is a freaking murder. It's you. It's you. It's a freaking murder. It's not this guy. Can't be. Dude? No, it's not that girl. Because I just heard a stab right when it's, oh, it's her. It's you. It's you all along. Was you all along? You just had a late stab. Oh! No. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's why my face is like this. I wish I had some more Robux so I could buy like a sick face. Where are these guys with no Robux getting stuff that costs Robux? Oh yeah, I still have my seer. I'm just using the fusion because, you know, usually other people, they don't really care which knife they have. Like, say that I have the seer, it's like better than all of these. But still, it doesn't really matter which knife you have. Like other YouTubers do it, they just like switch their knives momentarily. I thought it was you all along, because I walked past you and I saw a dead body, but I didn't see anyone else. So I thought it was underlined T. Millbase! I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Is that the bear package? I don't know. Hopefully I get a murder around. Sorry if you can't hear my voice, I'm just really sick. Oh yeah, shout out to all these fans for being in my video. Well, like, shout out to XX Savage and Banana XX. She's the one that gave, well, they are the one that gave me the seed. And then all the other ones I basically crafted. It was you last round, and I hope you didn't get a double chance of being the murderer. Let's see me you did. Say hi to Vid, guys. Oh yeah. They're not listening. I do have another beatbox, I just don't use it. I like to use the Elite. I hate how they made it so it's really hard to get up here. Wait, is there a camper? Wait. Hi to you. Hi to you too. Wait, was there a camper around? Camper. I'm too scared. I'm not gonna do it because I know I'm just gonna die instantly. Okay, we got the gun. Guys, we got the gun. I have the gun. Where's the murderer? I can't hear any stabbing. Oh yeah, you guys can't hear the bullet shots. So look, I'll just shoot a bullet right. You guys can't hear it, but I can. You guys can only hear my voice. I'm trying to. I know I'm kind of like a coward, not gonna try and find the murderer, but I'm kind of scared I'm gonna die instantly. Definitely not down there. They're probably somewhere over there. Since I already know who the murderer is, I'm safe with these peeps. What? Did the murderer run out of time there? Oh yeah, they definitely did. Yeah, they ran out of time. I'm sorry, I failed you, guys. I failed you, guys. I failed you guys. Never mind. If you guys don't know what AFK means, it means away from keyboard. And if you don't know what NVM means, it means never mind. Maybe I'll say that another time if I'm not that sick. That guy just pushed me off. And so is this gal, probably. I almost fell. That happens to me so many times. Oh, come on. Are you serious? If he has haste, I'm going to cry. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Maybe I'll buy the gingerbread man skin one time. And I'll just go into a murder mystery game and see if the murderer chases me. And I'll say, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Because I'll literally be the gingerbread man. This guy's just staying there. Dude, there's a murderer on the... Are you serious? freaking idiot. Okay, guys. Rage over. I've only got 14 more minutes of recording time. So I've only got I've told you this a billion times. I've only got 15 minutes of recording time. And that guy is such a noob for shooting me. You heard like a billion stabs, and I will plus 2, and you heard a stab, and it definitely wasn't me, noob. I'm never giving you a knife again, bro. These are all the knives I have. Aren't Squire and Black the exact same thing? I'm very sorry that my voice will cut out right when the recording stops. Oh yeah, I'll just tell you this so I don't have to say it very quickly. But make sure to like and subscribe, please, guys. I need views. Are you kidding me? But like I said, like and subscribe. Whatever. Wait, if you guys don't know how to do this, you just go in first person, and then just jump at the right time, and then at the edge, you'll eventually climb up here. Apparently, people don't know that I'm going in first person, and it looks so obvious that I'm in first person. I'm sorry that I never play music. It's just, copyright. Maybe it's not, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I'm sorry. But if I play music, you guys won't be able to hear it. Was that a dead body that just fell into the sewer? I wish I could put a replay on that, but I'm not that smart to actually do stuff like that. I'm stuck up here with noob girls. Noob means new player, guys. Just a warning. Noob means new player. It does not mean someone is bad at the game. It means new player. So I'm stuck up here with new players. Or aka bad players, because they don't have no Roblox. And I do. Because by the timing of my outfit, I have Robux. And did someone just shoot me? Did someone just shoot me? Did someone just shoot me? Did someone shoot? Oh yeah, guys. Peace out.